Let's make an Alebrije necklace. What you will need are 2 wooden colored beads, 1 regular wooden bead, 2 plastic beads, 1 Alebrije ornament, and 2 54-inch wax-covered cords. Line up the ends of the cords to ensure they are even. Then fold the cords in half over your finger. Then straighten the cords. Take your finger out of the loop, then insert the loop into the ornament. Push the loop slightly through the ornament. Place your fingers inside the loop to hold it open, then put the ends through the loop and fold to secure the ornament to the center of the necklace. Flip the alebrije upside down, then place a weight over it to secure it to your working space. Split the 4 cords into 2 groups. Take the cords on the right, place them over the left cords as seen in the video. Then pull the ends under the left cords and through the loop. Secure the knot by pulling the ends upward. This is called a forward hitch knot. Repeat the forward hitch knot 2 more times. Select the cords on the right. String those ends through the first colored wooden bead. Take the cords on the left, place them over the right cords as shown in the video. Then pull the ends under the right cords and through the loop. Secure the knot by pulling the ends upward. This is called a backward hitch knot. Repeat the backward hitch knot 2 more times. Select the cords on the left, string those ends through the regular wooden bead, then follow that up with 3 forward hitch knots. Select the cords on the right, string those ends through the last colored wooden bead. Then follow that up with 3 backward hitch knots. Put the 2 left cords under the weight, then separate the 2 right cords. Using these cords, perform 3 forward hitch knots. Then perform 3 backward hitch knots. Then perform 3 forward hitch knots. Once that pattern is complete, take the 2 cords and perform an underhand knot. Taking the cords over and around 2 fingers, then pulling the ends through the loop as seen in the video. Secure the knot by pulling the ends. Find the ends of the cords, then add the plastic bead. Finally, perform the underhand knot again to secure the bead in place. Repeat the pattern you have completed on the two left cords. Remember, it was 3 forward hitch knots, 3 backward hitch knots, 3 forward hitch knots, 1 underhand knot, a plastic bead, and lastly, 1 underhand knot. Tie the cords together with a double knot. Cut off the excess cord and your Alebrije necklace is complete.